it's indeed entitled The Revelation of Jesus Christ. But there are some elements inside of it that gets overlooked. But if you know what you're reading and you know what to look for, the book of the Revelation will come alive. Let me show you the correlation between the disciples and the story that's happening in the book of the Revelation. Acts 1, verse number 8. But you will receive power when the Holy Spirit has come upon you, and you will be my witnesses in Jerusalem and in all Judea and Samaria and to the end of the earth. Acts chapter 2. When the day of Pentecost arrived, they were all together in one place. And suddenly there came from heaven a sound like a mighty rushing wind, and it filled the entire house while they were sitting. And divided tongues as of fire appeared to them and rested on each one of them. And they were all filled with the Holy Spirit and began to speak in other tongues as the Spirit gave them utterance. Revelation 11 and 3. And I will grant authority to my two witnesses, and they will prophesy for 1,260 days, clothed in sackcloth. These are the two olive trees and the two lampstands that stand before the Lord of the earth. And if anyone would harm them, fire pours from their mouth and consumes their foes. And if anyone would harm them, this is how he is doomed to be killed. Luke 21:13. This will be your opportunity to bear witness. Settle it therefore in your minds, not to meditate beforehand how to answer. For I will give you a mouth and wisdom, which none of your adversaries will be able to withstand or contradict. So, surely, seriously, we can see the imagery behind them receiving the Holy Spirit, the tongues of fire that rested upon them, and now the two witnesses. Remember, the Lord sent out his disciples two by two. The two witnesses now have fire coming out of their mouth to consume their enemies. That fire represents that Holy Spirit, that wisdom that comes from the Most High. We got more coming. Subscribe to the channel.